Here we've got Samsung Galaxy A12, and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use in this device. So once you want to enter any of hidden panels here, you need to open your phone dealer at first, because this is the place where we'll be entering those codes. And let's start with the first code, one from the most useful, and it is *## 06#. This is the short code, so smoothly enter *# 06#, and you will be provided with unique numbers assigned to your Galaxy A12, which are IMEI and serial numbers. To close this panel, just tap on OK, and that's it. So let's skip to the second code, which will provide us with firmware version. It's also a pretty easy code because it's *#, 1234 and pound at the end. And as you can see here, you can check your firmware version. It's right in front of you, so that's basically all. Let me go back. And now we will open test mode, my favorite panel, and the code is *# O *#. And here you can test your device. So if you have any issues, you can smoothly detect if it's about your phone or app itself. And for example, let me check the display. So red color is working properly, green, perfect as well, blue, also good. Then you can check receiver, so we can hear clearly that it is working. Also the vibration, you can hear it, I can both hear and feel it, it is working properly. Then you can check mega cam, grip sensor, touch, speaker, sub key, front cam, black display, and also version. So just pick the feature that you would like to test, that you would like to check, and you will be provided with the info, with the details. So let me go back. That would be all for test mode. And now we will open advanced service mode. To do it, you just need to enter code *# 268 3662 and pound at the end. And here we've got service mode, so you can smoothly reach this panel with this quite long code. Let me go back. And now we can detect the battery status. To do it, it's time to enter *# 0228 pound at the end. And here we've got the battery status. Here we've got all info. You can also enable quick start here and just check average value, current value, and so on. Let me go back then. And if you would like to change the USB settings in your phone, you need to enter *# 0808 and pound at the end. And here you can check the setup for your USB, smoothly mark the one that you would like to apply, and it will be changed this way. So this is it, this is how you can reach USB setup. And the last code that I would like to share with you today is advanced firmware version. To reach this panel, you need to enter *# 2663 and pound at the end. And as you can see here, you've got the advanced firmware version, so you can read way more details than previously with this code 1234. And this is it. These are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Use them whenever you need to, as often as you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.